can't take an elephant on the bus. You can't take an elephant on the bus. It will simply cause a terrible fuss. Elephants' bottoms are heavy and fat and would certainly squash the seats quite flat. And don't sit a monkey in a shopping trolley, for monkeys are naughty and find it jolly to snatch your shopping and chuck it about. No, leave monkey at home when you go out. Nor should a tiger travel by train. Think of the panic, think of the pain. Tigers are built to spring and to leap. Think of the passengers half asleep. And don't hail a taxi if the driver's a seal. You're such slippery flippers, he can't grasp the wheel. The taxi will slither and probably swerve, then throw everyone out at the very next curve. A centipede on roller skates is rather bizarre. With 100 feet, he'll go fast and go far. But to put on his boots, he'll take him an age. He'll get in a temper, he'll get in a rage. And don't put a camel in a sailing boat. You're far too tricky to keep afloat. His hump and his feet would, I think, capsize the vessel and make it sink. Giraffe on aeroplane wouldn't be right. The roof on the plane hasn't the height. With legs and a neck so bony and long, a giraffe on the plane will simply be wrong. Don't ask a whale to ride a bike. Just imagine what it will be like without a bottom to sit on the seat, and how would he pedal without any feet? A pig on a skateboard, another mistake. It will be too heavy. It will probably break. All his trotters will totter, unable to grip, and up and over the skateboard will flip. And I wouldn't put a hippo in a hot air balloon. The basket's too small, there wouldn't be room. And if it did fly with hippo's great weight, it will come crashing down with a terrible fate. And never let a bear near an ice cream van. Bears gobble up ice cream as fast as they can. If they stop, they get annoyed. An angry bear, one best to avoid. Then how can we travel? The animals shout. How will we animals get carried about? Who's the best vehicle? We haven't a clue. Well, I got an idea. How about you? Yes, animals on roller coasters are good for a laugh. There's room here for everyone, even giraffe. So it's goodbye for skateboards, balloons and that bus. We now have a caviar that suits all of us. The end.